Hello and welcome everyone. In this Excel project, we will talk about multi-sheet data consolidation. We'll talk about multiple sheets. In each sheet, you would have sales made by different sales personnel across various product categories and months. We'll be using this many features to get our output. So let me explain the question. We are in the business of selling water purifier devices. So in the first sheet, you see water purifier basic device. There are 5 sales personnel: Jacob, Martha, Rama, Louis, Jack. Across Jan to June, these are their sales numbers. Now, there's another model and it's called reverse osmosis model. You may or may not have the same list of sales personnel, and even the sequence is not the same. Next, there's a third sheet, and I can see there are few names which are missing here. So I wish to consolidate all these 3 into a solution which looks like this. So Jacob selling across 3 different product categories, how many units in Jan, Feb, March, and so on and so forth. To do so, I click on a new sheet, I choose a random cell, then I go to data, and then from the data tab, I will be clicking on the button called Consolidate. Very soon after using Consolidate, I might be using text to column as well. So let me first talk about Consolidate. I click on Consolidate. Now it says what do you want to do as a mathematical calculation. I am going to say sum. In the reference, I am going to go to the first sheet, that is basic, and choose this entire grid. Notice I am including the header also, not more, not less. Including header, the data. And I'll then add to the bucket, that bucket which is collecting all the reference points one by one. So let me continue. This time let me go back to reference, delete that, go to RO and then choose this entire table again, including the headers, add that also. Again going to the latest, choosing the required table set and adding this also. So basically, using this method, I've been able to add all these 3 references. Now, before I click on OK, I must say that the label in the top row and the left column, that means Jan, Feb, March till June, along with the sales personnel name must be there. And all of those linkages should be linked to the source data. So in short, I'm activating all these 3 checkboxes and then I'm going to click on OK. Whoa, I got something. Let's see what that is. If I click on that small button on the top left, that is 2, you will see all the data expanding to show you individual line items. Now here what I see is that Jacob has a sales of 2200 in January across multiple product categories, and they have been linked to multiple sheets. However, I don't get to see the sheet name separately in a column, let's say in column C. So what do? Let me pick a random column, let's say June. Now each of this consists of the sheet reference and I want the sheet name. To get the sheet name out, I choose that and then I go to data, text to column. Now I go to next, but hey, before going to next, do watch this part, that since this is a linked formula, it is referring to the sheet name in the previous part, right? So let's see if I can go to the next set and in the other, let me put single quote. Whoa, this allowed me to separate the sheet name in the second column, and that is my advantage. So I go to next, I choose the first one and I say please do not use the first column. I go to the third one and I say please do not use the third column, but yes, I would be happy to choose and take this second column out. And that second column should not be in I4 but in J4. And for that to happen, I'm going to use this destination and change that to J4. So when I go there, I choose the cell J4 and then I click on finish. Whoa, did you see that? Using text to column, I was able to extract the sheet name, and once that is there, I cut this and I'm going to paste this in column C. So basically now I can see Jacob has been selling multiple products and this is the total. If you wish to color all the total, click on the digit 1, select the entire table. Now press Ctrl G, special, and choose visible cells. The shortcut key of this is Alt semicolon. Once I click on OK, all the visible cells have been chosen. I can press Ctrl B and then I can go to home to be able to color the cells yellow. And let me also pick up the heading, give a different color, let's say dark red with a white font. And then I click on 2 and see what you get. Superb. So this is linked data to multiple sheets divided by product category and the sales personnel according to the month. So friends, we used multiple technologies to get this data consolidation done. I know this video might have appeared a little fast, so I would request you go back, watch this video again, because we are running a series of Excel projects and I hope I'm able to cover many such projects in this course.